Yeah guys, djswicked vlogs here, and I mean, don't know right now, I'm in the downtown guys, about to, share a little downtown with you right now guys, so just stay tuned guys, and I mean djswicked vlogs here, so keep like, share, subscribe, and I mean to the channel, keep it real guys, do the right thing, you know what I mean? Right now I'm about to grab a one destroyer, you see me? Keep away the mosquito them. You see the prey? So them say 2 bills see that destroyer. I don't know the right one this to knock out the mosquito them when them a go hard, you see me? Yeah man, so I grab at least a couple of them so I can, get rid of them mosquito board, you see me? Don't know when I really put the people on the camera and feel no way, but you see me, we out here I go and do the right thing guys. You see me? Yeah man, just keep like up the channel, keep share it guys, as me telling you keep doing the right thing, keep updated, what's going on in the street on a day-to-day basis. So right now it's not a market day for me, but me outside I try to do the right thing to please you guys, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so one love guys. Don't know me just get the destroyer them guys and don't here I go and do the right thing, Right now me about to go get the carrot and little stuff. So guys, me out here, you see me? Guys, downtown today, you see me, as me I say, yo, just keep like up the channel. You see me, keep subscribe right now. One, wanna bring me to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I mean? So guys, just keep the right thing downtown with the guys, you know what I mean? So, stay tuned guys, it's a vibes downtown right now. You see me? Kids them are come from school, it's a vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, just say it right now guys. You see me? The vibes downtown guys. You know what I mean? Definitely guys. Trouble. Yeah man, I just go and do the right thing guys. You see me? Yeah guys, see if I can get a couple of things. Don't know. See if I can grab a couple of things. So just stay tuned guys. Don't know. Be a thing I go on at the town, be a niceness. People just a shop through and I go through, you know what I mean? Yeah, right now I'm about to get a couple of things, you know what I mean? Yeah. Don't know. Some nice things, guys. And take a look. See, pray. Yeah, man. Be a natural stuff in the market, guys. So, stay tuned, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't know over on the side, there will be a soap and them thing there. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Stay tuned guys, the vibes to the downtown. You know what I mean? Right now I kinda love half of me sip on here so still no. You see me? You don't know. So I see I can grab something off for a general go. You see me? Yeah man, as me say I don't really want to show the people in face on the thing, but you see me? I spread a joy with the general see me so. Don't know. How much a pound for the Irish, my boss? Alright, how much a pound for the cabbage? Alright, now I want 2 pound Irish and 3 pound of cabbage. You see me? Yeah guys, you out here do the right thing, you see me? Yeah man, as me said, just keep like up the channel, keep share it, keep do the right thing, you see me? Yeah man, I general that I do the thing, but no want to show up the general face, you know them way there? Yeah man, fully out, you see me? Yeah man, so guys, just do the right thing as you out here do the right thing. You see, pray. Yeah man. Right now, me about to give generally money, you see me. How much you forget me, Jenna? Yeah.
This is just my family, I'll be 260. So 260 and 210 my family, I'll be 440.
Alright. Up top, my general. I don't know a thing going on. We have to do the right thing, guys. Out here, I try, you see me? Spread a joy for the channel can, you see me, feel lively too and feel good for Sister SWICKED out here do it right. So guys, one love, you hear me general man, you see me? Can I make them know if you subscribe to the channel, see me?
Subscribe to the channel, what kind of channel?
You don't know a djswicked vlogs, you see me?
Big up djswicked vlog, you see?
Alright.
Subscribe to the channel and big up the channel. You hear that?
Oh, you mean?
Do the right thing. Real though.
Alright. So me get little stuff and I take time head back up. You see me? See me can link up because I have little stuff for me left up our friend up here. So I want to circle up there, make a link, you know. So guys, me just make you see how the street nice, full of vibes, people going through, people buying, all of them stuff there, you know what I mean? So it's a great vibes out here, guys. You know what I mean? One love, guys, just keep like up and share. You see me? Do the right thing. Yeah, guys, out here like all the time, you know what I mean? Love how the little settings I look. How much of them here? Hello? How much of them here? Big lady. This. Yeah, guys, you don't know me there. I try shop me couple something for my little daughter. You know when you reach in, you know, first thing she run to the bag, you know. You see me? You don't know, we have to have everything. So guys, may I grab them off here. Hey guys. Yeah buddy. Them may I grab here, you know. Some nice scallion over here, guys. I want to sell the scallion, my boss. Yeah, my boss. Get a pound right there. And 50 a lot of time. Yeah, guys, I forget because scallion. You know the thing without the scallion, the pot can spicy and nice. See what I did? Yeah, guys, fully out, you know. So I say no whole heap of load, no really that short down here like, you know, on weekend time and thing. But it's a great vibe, same way, guys. Yeah, man, fully outside, you see me? Yeah, man. Don't know the thing, but same way, guys. Yeah, man, it's a great vibes, guys. I mean, yeah, man. So, that is it, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, downtown chatting. A railway ground this, you know, guys, you know what I mean? So, all the people I'm always hear about railway ground, guys. You don't know, yeah, railway ground this, guys. Don't know. It's a good looking place. You see what I say? Don't know. All who want them railway can just come down a railway ground. You see what I say? Yeah, man. You don't know everybody have to eat, you know, food have to eat, so I say you go downtown. You have railway ground, you have up this and you have down. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so fully outside out a railway ground. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so guys, about to go in the market and now go see what else we can get. So I say me get little Irish and little cabbage, them look nice and you see what I say? It's a great vibes, guys, so stay tuned as me keep you posted. You see what I say? As me tell you now, everything out here as I go in the market, you will see rice, you will see every little thing. You see me, it's like a shop settings. You see what I say? Soap powder, same way every little thing. You see me? So it's a vibes, guys. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. So vibes down here in the place. Without the seasoning shop, you know, guys. You don't know me can't pass the seasoning shop and not grab nothing, you know. Mom's with a cuss. You see what I say? If me touch the seasoning shop and not grab something, so here I go on, guys. Me go see what me can get at the seasoning shop, you know. You see me? So baby girl, how you sell them seasoning here? Alright, guys. You don't know that one is the one with the spice in it. You can see the pepper seed them in it and them stuff there. Yeah, that one is a must, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys. And Alright, more than 2 of them one now. You see what I say? Alright, fully out. You see what I say? Alright, that look like a that. We not too light no whole heap or nothing, you know. Natural we go. You see what I say? So, Maggie. No. So, them there know our 2 bills. Alright. So, I go start a road for them there now, guys. Don't worry about it. Everything outside. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Try to get some things to the house. See, pray? Yeah, man. Like the liquor seasoning shop, you know, man. Everything you can get, the vanilla, rose and almond and something. As I say, vanilla and you see me, she have a Maggie hard purpose season up them and them thing the same way. You see me, vinegar and them thing the guys. So you see it's a little variety store so. You see me, low seasoning settings. So if you want your seasoning, you don't know. Where's the Empress?
If you want to see, you come right here.
Alright.
My name is Michelle and I sell good season.
You see it?
You can meet nice. Wifey? No. Husband will love you when you buy them season here.
You could have deal. Don't know. One love. So you don't know. You get the little scallion on time, you know, so thing we need right now, probably little pepper, you know. So guys, you out here, I try the right thing, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully outside, guys. Yeah, man. We hope you know, guys, full joy, the little video settings here. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. One love, guys. Peace out. Keep like, keep subscribe, keep share. You know what I mean? I just get little more stuff, guys. Don't know, me get tomato, get little sweet pepper, you know what I mean? So guys, you know, fully outside, guys. That's what I deal with. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, I just there. I try to get in little things to the home, you know what I mean? So, moms can feel nice when we reach home, you know? Yeah, man. So, don't ruin yourself, guys. Without here, I try if you do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys. One love. You see me? Yeah, guys, fully outside. Yeah, man. So right now, I take time chat back out on the front. You see me can go back out. A big tree here, alright. See me? Yeah, guys, so downtown tour, hope you know, guys, full joy, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys, don't know. As I tell you, say, well, on weekend time, them place are full up of people as well. So you don't know during the week now, I think kind of stay away, you know. Yeah, guys. We out here like all the time.